Hello and welcome to TNBT Tech. For the ultimate gaming experience, you need a powerful pre-built gaming PC. We'll show you the best options for 2023, from high-end machines for hardcore gamers to budget-friendly options. Check out the links in the description for more information. Number 1. The Skytech Pro Eclipse Gaming PC is an exceptional machine that offers top-of-the-line gaming capabilities and professional-grade performance. It features an Intel Core i9-13900K processor with 8 cores and 16 threads, clocking in at 3.00 GHz and a 32 MB L2 cache, making it capable of handling even the most demanding games and applications with ease. The PC comes with a NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4090 graphics card, which offers unrivaled ray tracing capabilities, making the graphics and visuals of your games look more lifelike than ever before. The PC features 32GB DDR5 RGB RAM, ensuring smooth performance while running multiple applications and games simultaneously without any lag or stuttering. The 1TB Gen 4 NVMe SSD provides blazing fast storage and ensures that your games and applications load quickly. The Skytech Pro Eclipse's cooling system is another standout feature. It is equipped with a 420mm all-in-one CPU liquid cooler and 4 high-pressure fans, ensuring maximum cooling and airflow to keep the components cool and prolong their lifespan, even when running demanding applications and games. The PC also boasts a premium design with customizable RGB lighting that can be controlled by Signal RGB. The lighting can be integrated with supported games, keyboard and mouse lighting, and PC monitoring and fan control, allowing you to personalize your desk or office space to your liking. Regarding connectivity, the Skytech Pro Eclipse includes ports for webcams, microphones, headsets, and multi-monitor support, suitable for both gaming and office work. Additionally, it offers 802.11 AC Wi-Fi, graphics card output options such as one HDMI 2.1 and 3 DisplayPort outputs, USB ports including 2.0, 3.0, and 3.2 Gen 1 ports, and HD audio and microphone. It also includes a free gaming keyboard and mouse. The Skytech Pro Eclipse is capable of running a wide range of games at the highest settings with ease, including the most demanding games with ray tracing enabled. It can handle Cyberpunk 2077 at 4K resolution and ultra settings, achieving around 60 to 80 FPS, making it a perfect choice for high-end gaming enthusiasts. It can also handle Call of Duty Warzone at over 200 FPS at 1440p resolution with ultra settings. Overall, the Skytech Pro Eclipse is an outstanding gaming PC that delivers exceptional performance, ray tracing capabilities, and customization options, making it an excellent choice for gamers who demand the best performance from their gaming machine. Number 2, the Skytech Kronos Gaming PC is a top-performing machine designed to deliver a premium gaming experience. Powered by an Intel Core i5-12600K, 3.7 GHz CPU processor capable of 4.9 GHz max boost, this computer can handle any game you throw at it. Its NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3080 10GB GDDR6X graphics card ensures stunning visuals with up to 30 times faster performance than traditional HDD, while its 16GB DDR4 RAM 3200 gaming memory with heat spreader provides optimal memory storage capacity and fast processing speed. The Skytech Kronos comes with a 1TB NVMe SSD, which is ample space for storing all your games, applications, and files, and it also operates faster than a traditional hard drive. The operating system is Windows 11 Home 64-bit, which is the latest version of Windows and designed to provide a modern and responsive user experience. The computer tower has a sleek black design, and its Skytech Kronos 2-case black edition with front mesh ensures maximum airflow to prevent overheating during prolonged gaming sessions. Additionally, the PC comes with 4 RGB fans, adding a touch of style to your gaming rig. The Skytech Kronos Gaming PC also includes a free gaming keyboard and mouse, ensuring you have all the accessories you need to start gaming right out of the box. Its graphic output options include one HDMI and one DisplayPort, and it comes with USB ports, including 2.0, 3.0, and 3.2 Gen 1 ports, HD audio, and microphone. One of the best things about this gaming PC is that it comes with no bloatware, ensuring you have a clean system that runs smoothly. The PC is also assembled in the USA and comes with a 1-year warranty on parts and labor and lifetime free technical support. Overall, The Skytech Chronos Gaming PC is an excellent choice for gamers looking for a top-performing machine that can handle any game at ultra settings, detailed 4K Ultra HD resolution, and smooth 60+ FPS gameplay. It's a premium product that delivers exceptional performance and a stylish design, making it an excellent investment for any gamer. Number 3. The Skytech Shadow 3.0 is a powerful gaming PC that packs impressive specs to deliver an immersive gaming experience. This desktop is powered by an AMD Ryzen 5 3600 3.6 GHz CPU processor and an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060 Ti 8GB GDDR6 graphics card. Together, these components ensure that you can play all of your favorite games, including Call of Duty Warzone, Fortnite, Escape from Tarkov, and more, at ultra settings and 1440p resolution with smooth 60+ FPS gameplay. The Skytech Shadow 3.0 also features a 1TB NVMe SSD, which is up to 30 times faster than traditional HDDs, ensuring that your games and applications load quickly. The 16GB DDR4 RAM 3200 gaming memory with heat spreader ensures that your system runs smoothly while gaming. Additionally, this gaming PC runs on Windows 11 Home 64-bit, which provides a modern and optimized experience for gaming. This gaming PC comes with 802.11 AC and no bloatware, ensuring that you have a clean and optimized experience right out of the box. The graphic output options include 1x HDMI and 1x display port. The USB ports include 2.0, 3.0, and 3.2 Gen 1 ports, and the system also comes with HD audio and microphone. The desktop also includes 3 RGB ring fans for maximum airflow and a Skytech Shadow gaming case with black tempered glass. Lastly, the Skytech Shadow 3.0 comes with a 1-year warranty on parts and labor and lifetime free technical support. The desktop is assembled in the USA, ensuring quality craftsmanship and attention to detail. The Skytech Shadow 3.0 is an impressive gaming PC that offers high performance and reliability. Number 4. The Skytech Shiver 2 is an impressive gaming PC that packs a powerful punch at an affordable price. This computer tower is designed for gaming and boasts an impressive set of specifications that make it an excellent choice for gamers who want to experience high-quality gameplay without breaking the bank. The Shiver 2 is powered by an Intel Core i5-12400F 2.5 GHz with a max boost of 4.4 GHz CPU processor, and an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060 12GB GDDR6 graphics card. This combination of hardware is more than capable of running even the most demanding games at high settings, and the 16GB DDR4 RAM 3200 gaming memory with heat spreader ensures smooth and fast performance even during intensive multitasking. The Shiver 2 comes with a 500GB NVMe SSD, which provides lightning-fast storage and boot times, making it easy to load your favorite games and applications quickly. The computer also comes with Windows 11 Home 64-bit pre-installed, ensuring that you have the latest operating system and security features. The Shiver 2 is also equipped with 802.11 AC Wi-Fi, providing reliable and fast internet connectivity. The computer tower includes a gaming keyboard and mouse, making it easy to jump into gaming right away. The tower comes with one RGB fan, which adds a stylish touch to the design. The Shiver 2 ATX mid-tower gaming case with tempered glass in white is sleek and modern and will complement any gaming setup. In terms of gaming performance, the Shiver 2 is capable of running all your favorite games at high settings, and detailed 1440p Quad HD resolution with smooth 60+ FPS gameplay. This makes it an excellent choice for gamers who want to enjoy immersive gameplay without breaking the bank. Overall, the Skytech Shiver 2 is an excellent gaming PC that offers impressive performance, sleek design, and great value for the price. The 1-year warranty on parts and labor and lifetime free technical support further add to the peace of mind of owning this powerful gaming machine. Thanks for tuning into our review of the best pre-built gaming PCs of 2023. A top-notch pre-built PC can elevate your gaming experience to the next level. Be sure to check out the links in the description for more information on each of these gaming PCs. Happy gaming!